Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Employment Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. Now in the address bar, just type in employmentbankwb.gov.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of Employment Bank. Just close the pop-up menu by clicking on the close button, and now you will find the login section. Just hover over to it and you will be able to see the various login screen. Just click on your appropriate login button and you will then be taken into the login portal. Now just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. Now just type in the security code that is displayed in the image, and just be aware that all of these letters will be case sensitive. After typing in the security code, just click on the submit button and you will be logged into your account with Employment Bank. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the forgot password button underneath the submit button and you will be able to reset your password from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Employment Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.